This is a tutorial to show you how to use the typing lessons. There's a link in our course website, or you can just type it in. Type sense-lang.org/typing. When you get to the main site, then you need to come to the top right, mouse over Choose Language, and find Ruski, and click it. Then you need to choose Российская клавиатура. At this point, you need to change your language, your keyboard input. On the Mac, I do it by clicking on the flag. If you have a PC, then you should see a little box that says EN if you've put the Russian keyboard already on your computer. And then what you should do is click in this box and just type a few, just to make sure you've got it going right. For some reason on some Macs it takes a while to get it to change. Try several times. And then you have to choose your lesson. When you go to lesson 1, it basically teaches you only 2 fingers, your 2 index fingers, Ahs and Ohs. If you get something wrong, it makes a bad noise like that. If you don't like the noise, you can turn it off here. This lesson will go on forever. At some point it'll have 3 stars and it'll say koniec, which means end, but then it'll keep going after that. So for every lesson, what you need to do is you need to decide at what point you are done with that lesson. Say, okay, I'm pretty comfortable with my O's and Ahs right now. And once you're done, click Выход, exit, and then go to lesson 2. And lesson 2 will add the next 2 fingers, L and V. And that's all there is to it.